Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into match.com. For that you need to open your browser and enter match.com and go to this website, and there you need to tap on join now button, and you have to enter your gender, and then you have to tell them who you want to meet, men or women, and after that you need to enter your date of birth, and after that tap on that's it button, and you have to enter your postal code. Just enter your postal code and then tap on that's it button, and you have to enter your name and tap on that's it button, and now you have to enter your email address, tap on that's the one button. Now you have to and then you have to create a strong new password, and after that tap on that's it button. And that is how you can sign up into your match.com. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.